Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very beautiful sunflower pouch. Make magic circle, insert your hook into this yarn, pull up yarn, make one chain, go to this ring, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through, make single crochet. Make 7 single crochet in this ring. Stitch first round in this ring like this and hide this yarn under a stitch. Insert your hook into first stitch, slip stitch. Now we have 8 stitch in this round. Slip stitch and make one chain. Make one single crochet in first stitch, go to next stitch, make one single crochet, two single crochet, go to next stitch, make one single crochet, two single crochet, make two single crochet in each stitch. Slip stitch. Now we have 16 stitches in second round. Make a chain, go to first stitch, make one single crochet, go to next stitch, make one single crochet, go to next stitch, make one single crochet, two single crochet, go to next stitch, make one single crochet and continue like this. 2 1 2 1 single crochet in stitches. In this round we have 24 stitches. A slip stitch, make one chain, one single crochet in first stitch, go to next stitch, make one single crochet, go to next stitch, make one single crochet, go to next stitch, make two single crochet in this stitch and continue like this. 2 1 1 2 1 1 stitch in this round. In this round we have 32 stitches in total. A slip stitch, make a chain, make 1 single crochet in first stitch and 1 single crochet in next stitch for 3 times. 1 2 3. Go to next stitch, make 2 single crochet in this stitch and continue like this, 2 1 1 1 stitches. We have 40 stitches in this round. A slip stitch. These pieces together like this. This is front of work. Like this. This is front and front. Go to next chain and take 1 chain of this work. Yarn over, pull up yarn, slip stitch. Take 1 chain on your hook, take 1 chain of other side, yarn over, slip stitch. Join two pieces together by a slip stitch. A slip stitch, a slip stitch, like this. I made a slip stitch from here. In here, make a slip stitch in each stitch only for this side. Like this, go to this stitch, make a slip stitch. Make 1 slip stitch for this side. Go to next stitch, make 1 slip stitch and continue for this side. Go to this side, other side, make a slip stitch in each stitch, a slip stitch, take any chain, 1 chain in of previous round, this round. Pull up yarn, make 1 2 3 chains, yarn over twice like this 2 times, pull through 2 yarns, pull through 2 yarns, pull through 2 yarns, make 1 treble crochet, make 1 2 chains, go to this chain, a slip stitch, make 1 more treble crochet in here, like this, make 1 2 3 chains, skip 1 stitch, go to next stitch like this, a slip stitch, make 1 2 3 chains, yarn over twice, make 1 treble crochet in here, 1 2 chains, a slip stitch, 1 treble crochet, make 1 2 3 chains, go to skip 1 stitch, go to next stitch, a slip stitch, make 1 2 3 chains, 1 treble crochet, 1 2 chains, a slip stitch, make 1 treble crochet in this stitch, 1 2 3 chains, skip 1 stitch, go to next stitch, a slip stitch, and continue like this around this circle. Make 3 chains, 1 2 3 chains, yarn over twice, take this stitch on hook, make 1 treble crochet, 1 2 chains, take this yarns, a slip stitch, yarn over twice, make 1 treble crochet on this chain, make 1 2 3 chains, skip 1 stitch, go to next stitch, a slip stitch, make 1 2 3 chains, yarn over twice, one treble crochet, 2 chains, a slip stitch, yarn over twice, make 1 treble crochet, 1 2 3 chains, go to this stitch from back and hide, a slip stitch and hide yarn like this, like this. Make make a slip knot and chaining.